did.
People are chasing me. Woo! Ready for this?
You had to do it in an old 50s car.
I go again! I go again!
You should jump out.
Watch.
Is he gonna stick it?
Oh! Right between the cars! Did you get that?
I got that.
Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Oh my god, dude, they're going. Dude, they're going after me.
And we're going to the track X. Go.
I'm using an old 50s car to do stunts, man. That's freaking BO.
We're not doing it.
I'm mad at you.
Dude, they're freaking like killing me so bad. Oh no! No!
Get out.
Oh, thank God.